All right, just showing you how to assemble the base of the Desert sunglasses fixture. The bottoms have basically these little pound-in levelers. You go like this, put that on. Next step, you're gonna put on the Lazy Susan. Make sure the hole is aligned. You take the 8 by 1 1/4 inch screws. You can even use a regular screwdriver for this. Then you have these access holes right here and here. Make sure you have that so you can screw into this. Now you line up the pre-drilled holes below. Get the 10 by 5/8. Into there. Do the other 3. Now the base is assembled. Now you'll get your bolts that will go through, and this will attach to the bottom of the display. Top. Once you have both bolts in, you want to make sure to tighten them up with the Allen key. You want to make sure the first bolt isn't too tight so you can get everything aligned. Have both bolts in there. Do it to the other side out as well. Twist this down. From there, we'll move on to doing the mirrors. Those into the display. Now, we get the top header. Peel the coupling off. Push these in. Tighten this in so they don't fall out. Into the other side. You have the 2 graphics that came with the display. This will tighten this all up. Essentially open up the pack of nose pieces. Push it in like this. Clicks and locks into place. Completes the whole display. We'll do the other side with the nose pieces as well.